So I'm here with Stuart from Midlothian Roofing Services, who installed this VELUX flat roof window. So tell me what the benefits are of being a VELUX Certified Installer.
Benefits are endless, really. I mean, since we've become registered installers, the amount of leads that we get from being an installer, it's peace of mind for the customer because they know it's done right. They know they're going to get a good job.
And what about this kind of support from VELUX? Are they helpful?
Yeah, they're really good. VELUX have actually got guys that they'll put you through onto the end of the phone that have actually installed windows, so they've done it before, they've seen the problems, they can help you out. A couple of phone calls and it can be sorted.
And do they kind of keep you updated with the latest products as well?
Yeah, recommending different products. Anything that's new on the market, for example, this curved glass window, they were straight on the email and letting us know about it, so that's really good.
That sounds brilliant. I mean, so you basically got loads of support, you're getting new customers, your customers are reassured, and you're getting up-to-date reports on all their latest products. Yeah,
it's been really good for us. We've been in certified installers for a wee while now, and we've noticed a real volume of calls coming in.
So how easy is the installation of VELUX roof windows?
Really straightforward. Obviously you need the knowledge to know what you're doing. It's not something that a typical homeowner would probably take on themselves, but a lot of customers like to watch the process, and they're always amazed at how straightforward it actually is.
As an installer, what do you think of the new VELUX curved glass roof light design?
I think it's fantastic. I mean, it's the installation guys have been over the moon with it. The way it looks, the customer loves it. It's transformed the room. It's a great window. Because it's curved as well, if you've got the rain falling on it, it automatically just sheds off.
Would you recommend them to your customers?
Absolutely. I carry the brochure about in the van with me all the time, so sometimes I'll turn up to jobs and customers want a VELUX but they're not sure what type. So the brochure really helps. They've got the website that can help.
How simple is it to replace an old VELUX roof window for a new generation VELUX roof window, like you've done in the loft office in this house?
It can be done really quickly, and it doesn't really affect any internal decoration as well. The customer's not going to have to redecorate the room or the surrounding inside frame or anything like that.
And were you surprised by how easy it was to install a new VELUX roof window in the bathroom?
No surprise as such, because that's what we do all the time, but the customers are always surprised at how straightforward it goes.
Yeah, and obviously there's all sorts of window suppliers out there, but what would you say about the sort of quality of VELUX?
We've used different brands before. The price is not a million miles away, but the quality of VELUX compared to other brands, just far superior. VELUX is really, I think they've been going about the longest, so they know what they're doing.